When you picture your next vacation, what do you see? Are you setting sail to discover a new world? Grabbing the reins of a wild life? Are you venturing on the path less traveled? A path to a new world where the great outdoors makes you feel right at home. That path leads to Columbus County, North Carolina. Tucked away off the Carolina coast, Columbus County is the natural choice for the outdoor lover in us all. A place to discover the beauty in the world, journey through the unknown, and simply enjoy what life has to offer. A place to lose yourself and reveal your inner child. This year, don't just take a trip. Embark on an adventure and have an experience you'll remember for a lifetime. Visit Columbus County, North Carolina, and we'll let you in on a little secret. It's in our nature. Explore more online at thecolumbuschamber.com.